Hey friends, let's talk about some things that I like to do. Number one, the first thing I really like to do is cooking. I like to cook different foods and everything like that. I don't often look at recipes though. 我比较不会看食谱. I'll go to the store and think, this vegetable looks good. What can I make with that? Or this meat looks good today. I think I'll make something with that. So I don't really have a plan sometimes. I just look at things and think, okay, good, that's gonna be good. So that's how I like cooking. I cook 3 or 4 days a week. And sometimes I have extra that I can eat the next day or something like that. Another thing I really like is photography, taking pictures, okay? And I have 1,667 posts on Instagram, okay? So you can imagine that I take a lot of pictures, okay? I like to take pictures along with motorcycle rides. I've been to Wutai in Pingdong. I've been to Taipei and back. I've been around the island 2 times. First time was Nanhan to Taidong, and then the second day to Hualien. The third day, Zhonghen to Taichung, and the 4th day, back to Tainan. Now, that was 1998, so Zhonghen was still open. And then the next year, 1999, was 9/11 地震, and then Zhonghen is destroyed. Then 2008, I went to Taidong in 1 day, and then went to Sanxiantai, and then back to Tainan across Nanhan in 2008. Then 2009 was Baba Suizai, and then Nanhan was destroyed for 12 years. So if I ride my motorcycle through your place, you better watch out, something's gonna happen. Okay? I've been taking pictures at Sanlingba Gaodi, 308 High Point, Guanmiao Beiliao, Caihui Cun, Sanhua, and Haomeili 3D Haiyang 世界户外美术馆. And I always take a lot of pictures of 日出日落. The sunset, I like to go to Sicao Daqiao. That's a good place. And another sunset is in Zuozhen. And sunrise, also in Zuozhen, is a good place. All right, the other thing that I like to do is I have a YouTube channel. I don't have any particular subject. I just post about whatever interests me. Usually it's something from my camera. I have a camera on my helmet and on the front and back of my motorcycle. So I have 3 cameras going all the time. So sometimes I'll see someone with a funny shirt that has English that doesn't mean anything or something like that. Okay, so that's basically some things that I like to do. Take care, friends, and be safe out there.